Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to reduce CPU usage in OBS. So let's get started with this quick tutorial. First, open your OBS app on your computer. Once the application launches, direct your attention to the upper left corner of your screen. You'll see a menu option labeled File. Go ahead and click on it, and from the drop-down menu that appears, select Settings. This will open a new window where you can configure various aspects of OBS to optimize its performance. In the Settings window, look at the left panel where you'll find several categories. Click on Output to access the recording and streaming configuration options. This section is crucial because it controls how OBS processes and encodes your video, which directly impacts CPU usage. Once you're in the Output section, navigate to Output Mode at the top. Right beside it, you'll see a drop-down menu. Click on it and select Advanced from the list. This gives you more granular control over how OBS handles video encoding, allowing you to shift the workload away from your CPU. Now, click on the Recording tab at the top of this section. This is where you'll make the most important change to reduce CPU strain. Navigate to Video Encoder and click the drop-down menu right beside it. The option you choose here depends entirely on your GPU. If you're using an NVIDIA GPU, select NVENC H.264 or NVENC AV1. These options leverage your graphics card for encoding instead of your processor. If you have an AMD GPU, select AMD HWH.264/AVC, which does the same thing for AMD hardware. For Intel users, select QuickSync, which uses Intel's built-in encoding hardware. The key thing to avoid here is X264 if your CPU usage is high, since this encoder uses your processor for all the heavy lifting during encoding, which is exactly what we're trying to prevent. Next, in the left sidebar, click on Video. This section controls your resolution and frame rate settings, both of which can significantly impact performance. Look for base canvas resolution and click the drop-down menu right beside it. Select your monitor resolution from the list. This ensures OBS captures at your native screen size. Below that, you'll see Output Scaled Resolution. Click the drop-down menu right beside it and select your monitor resolution as well. However, if you want to further reduce bandwidth and file size while also easing the load on your system, you can select 1280 by 720 instead. This lower resolution requires less processing power and is often sufficient for most recording purposes. Now it's time to adjust your frame rate. Navigate to Common FPS values and click the drop-down menu right beside it. Select either 30 or 60 FPS depending on your needs. Lowering the frame rate to 30 FPS can help reduce CPU usage even more, especially if you're not recording fast-paced action that requires smoother motion. Once you've made all these changes, click Apply at the bottom of the settings window to save your new configuration. Then click OK to close the settings window and return to the main OBS interface. You've now optimized OBS to significantly reduce CPU usage by shifting the encoding workload to your GPU and adjusting your output settings. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.